So since my childhood, I always knew that I love food and I love to, be in the luxury environment. So to choose the hospitality industry wasn't a surprise for me. And here I am today in Vietnam in the Sheraton Trang as my first time GM assigned, and also proud to be the youngest GM in the region. I always enjoy to seek on the new trends on the market, being it from the F&B or any technology which we can bring back to our hotels and implement. And I really enjoy that part that when you can make it happen on site and see the results. I'm personally very competitive, so I always drive my team to be same competitive as I am, and aspire to be always the best in class in whatever we do. As well, I love to share my experiences, tell the personal stories of each actions or findings which I have came across in my career, and I really enjoy to see the team and others to be developed and growing within the company. I would advise them to always take the challenge, never say no to any opportunity, and do things and do them right away. One of the most difficult moments in the career was during the COVID time, and especially for me when we had to do a lot of layoffs in the company. And I think what we have taken away from this part is the ability to seek for new opportunities, the entrepreneurship, and not giving up in any time of difficulties we face. And we have come across together all hotels in Vietnam and Cambodia, and we have created the so-called Next Generation Business Council. We call it Next Generation Business Council because it consists of members who were born as a Gen X and Y. And we do all together amazing things, driving sustainability, driving charity events, and of course as well life balance for those members and for the hotel teams. We have been also recently recognized by our CEO, Mr. Tony Capuano, and Mr. Marriott himself in US this March 2024 as the best performing Next Gen Business Council around the globe. I would really like to have a dinner with Mr. Arne Sorensen, our previous CEO of Marriott, which we had for the past 10 years, as I always enjoyed a lot his personal messages and videos and leadership skills. So I have recently finished the book The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma, and teach us about effectiveness, so I'm practicing to be in the 5 AM Club. I would say do it and do it now. It's also one of the 12 rules of Mr. Marriott, so that really comes into my DNA. I think it would be We Will Rock You from Queens.